Temple awesome. I booked the room with an ocean view and a king-size bed. What an awesome stay. The staff are courteous, helpful, and friendly. There are security personnel who checks people going in for the safety of travelers who are staying in the units. The location has perfect proximity to the beach area. There are also cultural presentations showcasing Vietnam's finest dances, music, and traditional costumes. I will recommend this resort to my friends 100%. Great place. Great place to stay in Da Nang. We had such a good time at Temple Da Nang that we kept extending our booking. The pool looking at the beach is superb and beautiful. The staff are very friendly and welcoming. We will definitely be staying here again on our next trip to Vietnam. Beach Club location. Temple Da Nang Resort is value for money and those wish to enjoy beach activities. We have enjoyed this trip staying in this beach club resort. Marvelous A+. The best part of our tour to Vietnam, Da Nang/Hanoi, is Temple Da Nang Resort. The location is excellent. You can enjoy the beach right in front of you. The resort staff is very sophisticated and nice. There is 2 swimming pool in resort. A large concert stage for marriage party and fashion shows. The reception staff guided us at every step. They also provide us car for airport pickup and drop on paid basis. The rooms are 5-star with latest facilities. You can enjoy in resort whole day or rather many days. Since we have less time, we stayed only for 1 day. But next time we will prefer to stay for at least 3 days. My sincere regards to Team Temple Da Nang. So beautiful place. Really good. Good. Exceptional, very good service, beautiful place. Brilliant hotel, good service, good place, good view. A wonderful experience in last few days. Clean and tight, friendly staff.